great Monday, my mini mathematicians. I'm so happy that you're here today, and I'm sad that I'm not. But let's start getting ready for our quiz next class by doing this warm-up. So I'd like you to do this on the back of page 30, and we will be pausing the video for 5 minutes. Please pause the video for 5 minutes while you work with your group to figure out these different ratios and unit rates, and if it's part to part or part to whole. When I have 52 vans and 26 cars, and all of these are vehicles. So please pause the video, and then we'll go over this in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at our answers. The ratio of vans to cars. Well, we know there's 52 vans, and there's 26 cars. And when I look at ratios of vans to cars, I'm going to be looking at V over C, and I always want to simplify these ratios. So those are 52 vans to 26 cars. Maybe you started dividing by 2 and noticed you could do that again. Maybe you divided by a couple different numbers, but overall I noticed that I could divide both of these by 26, and I noticed that my ratio simplifies to be 2 to 1. The ratio of vans to cars is 2 to 1. And there's a couple ways you could write that ratio, but that's one of them. So what's the unit rate of vans to cars? Be sure to include units. Well, vans to cars, unit per 1, is right here. 2 vans per 1 car. So is this a part-to-part or part-to-whole relationship? Because these are 2 parts, we're not talking about all the vehicles yet. This is a part-to-part. So now let's look at the ratio of cars to vans. So cars to vans is going to be 26 to 52. And if we want to simplify that, we know that 26 goes into both of them. And we get 1 to 2. The ratio of cars to vans is 1 to 2. So if I want to write this as the unit rate of cars to vans per 1, we know that it's 2 to 1 for vans to cars, so the reciprocal of 2, that's right, 1/2, 1/2 of a car per 1 van. Switch the units and flip the fraction. Is this a part-to-part or part-to-whole relationship? Since we're still talking about each type of vehicle, this is a part-to-part. So now we want to look at the ratio of cars to all of the vehicles. Well, we know that there are 26 cars, and how many total vehicles are there? Well, to find the total vehicles, I'm going to add up 52 and 26. 52 plus 78. So 26 to 78. And of course, if we want to simplify that to start looking at our unit rate, 26 does go into both of these. So when I divide, 26 goes into 26 once, and 78 3 times. So the unit rate of cars to vehicle is going to be 1/3 cars to 1 vehicle. One out of 3 of the vehicles, so 1/3 cars to 1 vehicle. Is this part-to-part or part-to-whole relationship? Well, this is a part-to-whole relationship because we're talking about all the vehicles. Awesome. Let's go on to our next video to start 5.2C lesson, and we're going to be on page 32. Please turn to page 32.